Hi everyone. Today I will lead you through a LYT yoga abdominal sequence. And in LYT yoga, every class starts with a reset. And what the reset does is it fires up the core and the glutes. It connects us with our neutral spine and neutral pelvis to create that integration when we begin moving on and off the mat. Today's class will have an added external-internal rotation component, and it adds on to the bridge pose sequence that I did with the external and internal rotation. So let me just demonstrate what the external internal rotation of the hip is before we get started. So internal rotation is the thighs roll in. External rotation, the thighs roll out. So internal rotation, external rotation. Okay, ready? So lie on your back. Bring the block this way if you have it. If not, that's okay too. And bring it between your thighs as close to your groin as possible and lift the legs up in the air. Now you want the legs to be right in line with your hip, not forward. So you want the sacrum on the ground. And if you need to bend the knees, that's perfect. Back ribs into the ground, sacrum into the ground. Bring your hands behind your head, elbows up to the ceiling. Draw those front ribs in. Inhale. Exhale. Lift the shoulder blades off of the mat. Gaze down towards the block of your belly. Now keep the shoulders lifted and soften your head into your hands and draw the belly down. Inhale and lower. Exhale, lift up. Draw the front ribs down. Squeeze the block. Internal rotation. External rotation. Internal rotation. External rotation. Back to neutral. Inhale and lower. Exhale, lift up. Draw the front belly down. Internal rotation. External. Internal. External. Back to center. Inhale and lower. Exhale, lift up. Little inch twist to the left. Keep the left shoulder blade off of the ground. Internal rotation. External. Internal. External. Come back to neutral. Inhale and lower. Exhale, lift up. Squeeze the block. Draw the front ribs down. Inch twist to the right. Keep that right shoulder blade off of the ground. It's a very small twist. Internal. External. Internal rotation. External. Back to center. Inhale and lower. One more each side. Exhale, lift up. Little inch twist to the left. Internal rotation. External. Internal. External. Come back to neutral. Inhale and lower. Exhale, lift up. Draw the front body down. Little inch twist to the right. Internal. External. Internal. External. Come back to neutral. Inhale and lower. Bend the knees. Put the foot down. Move the block. Woo! So that fires up all the abdominals and gets you going, gets you integrated, gets you fired up. LYT training for life, my friends. Namaste.